Welcome to a new edition of the Fast and Furious Person of the Year. In our top one, Charlie Barredos, yeah, Marcus Mercury. Hi, Marcus.
Hi, how are you? Hey, look, that house mine.
Oh, yes, I can see. Well, we should start. Question number one. How did you feel when you won against Andrew Taro?
Well, the first time I felt really good, but the second one, I don't wanna talk about.
Okay, Marcus.
Hey, what the hell is the other interviewer?
What are you talking about?
The other guy, that's the stupid one.
Ah, he was laughing. He's gone. Well, should we go with the question?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Second question now. How did you feel before the running? Were you nervous?
What? Nervous? Oh, come on. I'm a pro. I can handle that. Feeling nervous is for Mateo. Ah!
Yeah, Marcus. That's the attitude. That's it. Well, we go to the third question. How did you feel when you were in a stadium for the first time with 250,000 people watching you?
Well, the first time... But then...
I think so, Marcus. And now, the next question. How does it feel to be a winner?
Oh, it was exciting, like singing the song of the Titanic. Oh, it feels like being there again. I love Celine Dion. Now that's the past.
Are you serious? Don't talk about that, Marcus. Don't talk about that. Well, what do you think about Dr. Hellman?
Dr. Hellman? He's a crazy man. He's insane. I would never do something like doping me.
Okay, Marcus, the last question. How does it feel to be in Barbados after so many years in Canada?
Oh, it's so great here. I feel like the king of the slum area. I even have a stadium with my name. Every morning I run 5 times around Barbados. Well, Barbados... And Barbados and... You know, that's only the beginning of my training.
Okay, Marcus. Thanks for your time. Thanks for the interview, but don't lose your speed.
Don't worry, I won't. I have a Lamborghini.
Damn!